Hey awesome people, Rich Ferguson here, and I just wanted to share some fun pranks from my last appearance on the Today Show on April Fool's, which also was Easter this year. Very bizarre, hasn't happened in 62 years. I did some magic and some shenanigans and a prank, and here is just some clips of a prank we did with people thinking they were coming into the green room to throw some bean bags in a fun activity and game we put together, but of course I jumped out and scared the heck out of them. You guys, if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now and don't miss any of my tutorials, my pranks, my magic, all that kind of fun stuff. I have a whole bunch of fun stuff coming your way. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Check it out.
So it is March 30th, which means Sunday is April Fool's Day, also Easter.
Do you like being like fooled or scared?
No, I don't like them, and I did not take part in this latest.
But you know what's funny? They did do a prank downstairs where, you know where they shoot baskets?
Yeah, I know. They wanted me to take you there and have it done to you. They wanted me to take Jill. They wanted me to take everybody.
And I tell you, we decided that Savannah and Carson should go down there. So Rich Ferguson managed to convince some people that we were replacing our Pop-A-Shot game with a new beanbag test. So here's what happened.
Do it!
Why? Why did I fall for this again? No! Why are you scaring me?
You can do it!
I just want to get you another bean.
Come on, you can do it! You can do it! Come on, you can do it! I knew it was going to be one. You need one more. You can do it!
Ellie was really scared. That's why.
Oh, wow.
You can do it! Come on, you can do it!
There you go.
Look at her, still playing.
Oh,
Cena.
You can do it!
What happens now?
By the way, you know
It's
what just
interesting
happened
the way
there?
people.
Everyone's personality came out. So if you're in a tricky or scary situation,
Just be
'cause see,
yourself.
I know I would freeze, and it would be apparent in one of those scary things, like I would freak out and run away.
Yeah.
That's what I would do. But did you see Carson? He was like, yeah, I'll take you out.
Yeah.
Cena just gave him a side eye, and Brittany
Brittany
started
game.
throwing
Well,
her bean bags.
Yes, I love it.
Anyway,
I just couldn't be a part of it, Hoda. I didn't want to do that to you.
Well, thank you.
All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe right now because I do all kinds of social experiments and magic tricks and prank tutorials, all kinds of fun stuff. So hit this like button as well, share it with all your friends so I can maybe meet some new fans. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I'll catch you next week. And just make sure you subscribe.